What's up, y'all? It's Artez Tag Pressure Wash. Hope y'all doing good. So I'm back with another one. I'm actually here at a charter school in my city, about to do all of their flat surfaces. So I got sidewalk all the way down past the sign, this walkway. Whatever you call it, walkway, sidewalk, this little walkway, the entrance, and then another little pathway. I'm not walking way over there, but I think y'all get the point. Man, it's been a interesting week, some ups and downs, but man, we here. Spring almost here. It feels like it, but it ain't quite yet. And so I'm about to get it in, show y'all a little footage. All right, stay tuned.